Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to share with you about high-ticket programs. Yes, why I want to do this is because recently somebody approached me with yet another high-ticket program that is not good, and I want to put out there a warning to show you what you should be joining and what you shouldn't be joining. Okay, there's a big difference between the two, so I want to show you the most legit high-ticket affiliate programs to join. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back here. High-ticket programs, watch out what you join. Not all high-ticket programs are created equal, meaning a lot of the high-ticket programs may look kind of like the same, but there are certain elements that differentiate a good one and a bad one, okay? So I just want to point out the things that you need to look out for before you join one of these high-ticket programs, and I will recommend a good one at the end of this video. So the first thing you need to look out for is, are there real products and services? So real products, what I mean by that is that, are there real customers that are buying the products? Are there retail customers of this company? Or is the products that they are offering bought by everybody who's joining the program just to make money from the same products? There's that big difference because a company needs to have more revenue from retail revenue than people recruiting other people into the system like that. So you want to make sure that the company has retail customers, meaning people that are just buying the products for the products themselves and using the products. So the products and services doesn't have to be all physical. It could be digital as well. It just depends on who's buying the products, okay? That comes to my next point here. Who's buying those products? Is it the same people who are making money from those products? Or is majority of the products being bought by people who are just going to be customers, who are just retail customers buying the products, okay? So that is a huge difference. And also another point you need to look out for, and this is a big one too, is where the money is flowing. Does all the money that you're paying into this program go to the company directly, or does a big portion of it go to an individual who introduced you to the program? Now, right there, if you're going to pay an individual a lump sum of money and not the company that's running the program, this is a huge big red flag. So do not join anything that is asking you to pay for something that is portionally going to an individual person, because the whole amount needs to go to the company directly. Just think about this point. Wherever you go buy something, okay, it doesn't matter if it's small, big, you pay the company who is selling the product, right? The total amount. Because if you think about it, it is the company that made the product or is providing that service. So you should be paying directly to the company who's making this product, because that's what you're buying, right? So when I was approached recently, I was telling you in the beginning of this video, I was approached about a high-ticket program, and they're saying how you could earn $1,000 a day very easily. And I'm into $1,000 a day. I love making big money, but this person is telling me, oh yeah, all you gotta pay is I can't remember the exact amount. So let's say $1,150. And they say, you see, cause the $1,000 is gonna go straight to you and the $150 will go to the company. And I'm thinking, oh boy, red flag, okay? That is totally not legit. That kind of system is called a cash gifting system, and it is not good. A cash gifting scheme is illegal, okay? It's not allowed. So you do not want to be involved in something like that, because when the FTC finds out, this will be shut down and your whole business will be gone, okay? So you need to be very careful about what you join. So that is one of the biggest point there I wanted to tell you about. So there are tons of legit affiliate programs that pay big commissions, and You just gotta look for companies that are offering real products and services that are selling to retail customers, okay? A big one that is obvious is Amazon.com. You may think that Amazon only pays 1% to 10% commission, but they have big items on there as well. They have items that are 5-figure, let's say $10,000 item is 4% is $400. I mean, that's an okay type of commission. But if you're looking at the log cabin kits or whatever that you could buy on there, that's like, you could get even more commission. Those are over $10,000, okay? So that's a quick example, but there are other examples that are high ticket affiliate programs that pay out commissions. And I did a video already on that. So I'm going to link it underneath this video so you can see it right away. I believe I linked 10 affiliate programs that pay high ticket commissions. But right now, if you want to go to one right now, go to workanywherenow.com/best. Then you will find a program in there that teaches you basically online training on anything that you want to do. So, but they also have an affiliate program separately that if you want to also offer other people these online trainings, courses, then you could make commissions on those courses, and you don't have to necessarily buy those courses or anything like that to earn commissions. Okay. That's actually a slight point that I want to point out as well. A legit affiliate program is one that you don't necessarily have to buy the product before you can earn commissions on, okay? So remember that. There are a very small percentage of affiliate programs that make you to be a customer first before you can apply for the affiliate program, because they want you to use their tool or their products before you actually become an affiliate. So that type of program, I don't mind. Just don't go for affiliate programs that make you buy the actual product that you want to earn from, that are big commissions. That's a red flag as well, okay? So go check out the program that I'm linking right here, or check out the video that I have linked in the video description below to learn more about different high ticket commissioned affiliate programs that you can earn from. So if you haven't started anything in affiliate marketing though, that is one of the business model that this program that I'm telling you about, workanywherenow.com/best, they teach you about affiliate marketing. So that's just one of the business models that they teach in there. There's 3 other ones. And so there's tons for you to learn inside this program. And that is why I feel it's very beneficial, not only for those who are beginning to get into affiliate marketing, but those who have already a few years and want to add a high ticket commissioned affiliate program. This is one that will really scale your business up to earning way more money. Okay, guys? So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. It will really help my channel out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online and learn more about affiliate marketing. And also, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I'm so excited to see when you're going to make big commissions. So let me know when you do, okay? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.